Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. Today I have my Monday mini album series and we're going to be making a little mini album featuring ScrapDiva Design dies. The main die that I'm using is the snail mail gift card die set, where as you can see I've cut out quite a few pages. I'm making it just a small one with 4 pages, and I've taken pictures of my daughter. I printed them out with my selfie Canon printer that I've had for ever and ever, and hopefully I don't have to replace it soon. But I do have the app on my phone as well, so that I can pick the photos I want, and then I had to flip them around and kind of adjust. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of white space, mainly because the photo was vertical and I needed to flip it over horizontally so that it would work. But it's okay. I am going to cut it, as you can see. So my goal was to just do a couple pictures of her because her face is so cute when she was little. I mean, she's still cute now, but she's a stinker, you know? And the attitude, oh my God. Anyways, so I decided I was going to make a little album, and I wanted to use a snail mail die set. Like I said, I also used the paper collection from My Creative Time, which I can't remember what it's called. It's already fallen apart. I've been using it. I love the printed paper. Oh, here it is. It's this one, the Spring Solids, and I definitely wish I would have ordered more because this paper is so cute. I love the colors. And then the back part is like the printed. Oh, I love it. Like a typewriter. And I'm also going to use this paper pad just because I feel like the colors kind of play with it, and it also had the greens in it that I really liked, so we're gonna do that. So the other die set, the rainbow pocket die set, because we're going to use the rainbow pocket part, or just the pocket part I mean, to create our cover for our albums. The idea actually came from, oh gosh, I forgot her name already, and I said I was gonna write it down and I didn't, but Erica tagged me in a video of someone who had this book that was like this, and it had like the base and then a big panel in the back, and it opened forward. But because I have the snail cards, my idea is to have them sit inside like this. And so I'm going to show you guys. So what I did was I cut out a piece of paper from the Sun Chaser collection, and what you're going to do is you're going to measure it so it sits inside the crease lines here, and you're gonna run it through like this. So this is kind of a tight fit, but it's going to give me my cover. And so now I'm gonna line up my snail because I'm going to just do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna run it through my die cut machine so it'll cut the arch part, and now I have my cover. So I'm gonna add a little washi tape here and over here, and I'm gonna run it through my machine. So now that I have my piece cut out, you can do another set by measuring and cutting, or you could do what I did and just traced it on another piece. It's not gonna be perfect, but you know, I'm just lazy sometimes and don't want to complicate things and make it just quick and simple. So you'll do that. Now I am going to back this up with another piece of cardstock, but I want to work on the spine, so we'll jump into that. I'm working with my broken scoreboard because I accidentally went to step on it. I don't even want to get into it. I'm so mad. I've had this for ages and they're hard to find now. Anyways, I cut a piece down to about 3.5, give or take there. It's just, I already folded it. And you're going to score every 1/4 inch all the way across until you get over here. So you're going to have a bunch of lines. But my goal is to glue this first piece on here like this, okay? And then you're going to have a little space, and then you're going to glue your first set of folds here, and then you're going to leave a space, and then you're going to fold the next one, then you're going to leave a space, and you're going to fold the next one, and then you're going to leave a space and you're going to fold. So you'll have a space there, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4 for my 4 snail cards. And then this will be up against the back side of the cover, the back page. So just make sure you have that. So now that we have our piece basically glued here, it's actually this way. As you can see, I glued it down. I tried to glue it down. Ugh, hate when that happens. Can just add more glue before, make sure it's staying. I am going to take this strip here and I'm going to glue it down here so I have my pieces there. And you could also use score tape. I'm just so used to using glue now that I don't even do it anymore. Or I should say I don't do the strip. And I also bought some for my tape runner, some tape from Amazon, because that's the place where they used to have it in bulk. And I don't know what they did to the little centerpiece, but it no longer rolls on my gun. And I'm sad because I bought some, told them it sucked, sent it back. And then they sent me the same thing over again. So I think they changed the inner part of it, and now it doesn't work with the gun. So now I have to manually use it, and it's not a pain in the butt, but I'm lazy to unroll the whole roll. I don't even know where I put them either. Can't remember if I returned them to get my money back completely. Okay. So now I'm going to add the back page, and then we'll cover the little back part here with a piece of chipboard. Okay. There we go. And here is our fun little album. It's not done yet, obviously, but we'll add our pages here. So the piece that I cut out, it's like a thick chipboard, but it's got color to it, is measuring about 1 3/8 by 3 1/8. And so I'm just going to add glue and kind of snuggle it in there and make sure that it's tight. And then I'm going to add the inside pieces to this. So for the inside, I think I spaced and thought I had cut out pieces, but I did not. So I'm going to use the back side of this because I like the writing, and I'm just going to glue it down here, and then I'm going to just cut it with scissors. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. It's for me. So we'll do that. So my book is done now. As you can see, I've made it. I haven't decorated this part, which will come later, but this is what I have so far. Now I want to do my pictures. Now my pictures, like I said, I printed them at home, and I'm just having them open up to the photo itself. And I did use the rectangle shape here to cut them out, as you can see. And I'm just going to glue them down to the back. And I'm just going to use my glue because, like I said, my tape runner is being stinky and messes up every time I use it. Okay. There we go. And I'm just going to try to center it the best I can. Ooh. The glue's coming through the little openings there. So that one's done. Now what I did do was I cut off the little flaps on the side for all of them. This one's already glued down. I think I glued this one down. No, I didn't. So this one's another one. My little crazy girl. She was my early morning kiddo. My son was on night shift with us, and he always slept late and got up late. Still does it now, but now it's video games, you know. Okay, so we're going to center that. I think that's good there. And I might add little stickers on there if I can find some good little girl ones. I think I have some. Gotta find them. So there we go. And then this one, I decided to do the oval shape with the square. And there we go. So I'm just gonna glue that down as well. Okay, now that I have them all done, my idea is to glue them down like this onto just the center. And I know there's a gap there, which I'm okay with. I don't mind it because I'm going to do one and then the next one down and the next one down and then the next one all the way down. At least I think it'll look fine that way. So I just need to pick which ones I want. I can't remember. This one, she's the smallest, so we'll do this one. We'll do this one next, and then we'll do this one. That way the pinks aren't too close together. We'll do it like this. So I'm going to add glue here. Like so. We're going to start at the top and just going to hold it there and glue them down. So I have my little book all put together. I just need to embellish. And what I did was I screwed up, wasn't thinking correctly, but I should have started at the bottom and worked my way up. Anyways, like I said, I just glued the back. But on the back side, I took 4 of the pieces and I glued them so that it would be sturdier back here. I was thinking of raising them up with some foam tape, but I think it's better to have something hold it back here so it doesn't flop around. And now it'll open. And I use these colored Velcro tabs from Happy Crafter Shop. I don't know if you guys got some. She sells out so fast all the time. So just FYI. But now I have my little snails all glued in. And here's the second one. I used yellow tab for this one. Oh my gosh, your little face. So now I'm just left to embellish. Now I did add some trims to all the backing here. I just pulled out colors that matched and did that. So there you go. I think it'd be cool if it was like this, right? Like up top, but my brain, you guys, it is definitely dysfunctional. I don't know what I was thinking. It would look so much better if it was the other way, but oh wow. Oh, wow. And then I did add some eyelets here from We Are Memory Keepers. I think I bought like a little set of greens, and so I thought it'd be cute. So now all that's left to do is embellish. We have our finished album. I went and just embellished it like I said I would. I used a variety of stuff, so it's all over the place. Some stuff goes, some stuff kind of just random, I think. But this is for me and my kiddo, so, and it's a way to use up my scraps and, you know, extra stickers and stuff. I did find this ribbon. I've had it for a long time. I got it at Walmart, and I'm slowly using it up, but I thought it matched one of the paper collections, so I added it there. And then I used the conversation heart that just came out, the number 2. It says, "You are loved." And then I found the sticker and I thought it'd be cute, real life, because, you know, this is our everyday moments. And then this cute little sticker from Heidi Swapp's collection, Splendid. And then I just added a variety of the stickers, did a little star there since I had star stickers. And, of course, enamel dots. And then when you open it up, I know you guys saw, I should have done the bottom to top. It's driving me crazy, you guys. Oh, wow. So this is the first one. I did cut out all the snails in different color papers and layered them up on every single of the little envelopes. And then I just embellished differently. I had this flower done. I think this is a ScrapDiva Designs one. I think it's from the flower pot. And I just had it there, so I added it. And then I had this like ticket stickers. I don't even know which collection this comes from, but I thought it was cute. And then it says that smile. And of course I added little diamond dots. And when you open it up, it is, you know, my girl in there, but I added these little stickers, love from Heidi. No, this is from Paige Evans' Bloom collection. I had the sticker book, so I added it there and added some more stuff there. And then of course, this cute little tab. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then in the back here, I added a sticker. I kept this flat just because I was layering up and it was going to be too chunky and I didn't want that. And so here I just added this remember sticker and more of the Heidi Swap stickers. And these stickers come from her 12 by 12 pad. I have it right here. This paper pad here, which I really, really love. And when you open it up, I put just how old she was there just because I didn't want to journal. I'm going to put this in my living room. Not my living room, my entry table. Not that anybody looks at them, but I know they're there. And then this is an old sticker that I've had from me and my big ideas for a long time. It came with the whole set. It came with like 3 or 4 pages, and like this is one of them. I don't know if you guys seen them, but I added there. And then I added the Maggie Home Puffy sticker hearts because I really wanted to put that in there. And then when you open it up, it's just simple. But I added this sticker that is old. It's from Basil's. They used to make sticker pages kind of to match their cardstock, and I just cut it up a little bit because it was too wide, and I added these little flower punches. I didn't even know I had this in my stash, and I just happened to have it on my table, and I was like, oh, this matches the little flowers there. So then I added the little enamel dots, and then up here she was 20 months old, so I thought I'd include just her age. So cute. This little puffy sticker's from Heidi Swap. And then here's there's that paper I was talking about. And then I added this cute little sticker. And these little flowers, so cute. ScrapDiva. So cute. I love it. And the last page, oh my gosh, her little face. I can't. I just cut out the shape of the little circles and added the hearts in the center. And then here, this little butterfly rub-on said, time flies, but it's so old that it didn't want to peel right. So then I had to add the heart there. And that is my little album, you guys. I hope it was a good tutorial and you guys kind of got the gist of it. Definitely start at the bottom, work your way up. It's bugging me. And I appreciate you guys watching and all your comments. I absolutely appreciate them. I am horrible about getting back sometimes, but I do catch up on them weekly, so sometimes it'll take me a few days to respond. But thank you guys, and I will link everything in the description box that I used and my discount codes, and I'll be back soon with some more videos. Bye.